Bagong taon and 2025 has you hopeful.
And you might be thinking you want to get yourself something nice. And what's nicer than a brand new NVIDIA RTX GPU, especially the ones from ASUS, which are discounted now? More on that in a little bit. But there's one person you need to convince: your boss. If you're earning your own money, then you're the boss. But you might still need to convince yourself that a new GPU is the best way to make your Christmas merry. Or, kung may partner ka, syempre si boss si Commander. Or if you're with your parents, then they're the boss. No worries, this video will convince any boss that an ASUS NVIDIA GPU is the best holiday treat for you. This video is sponsored by NVIDIA, but as Han Solo says,
all of it, it's all true.
All bosses are obsessed with work-life balance, so starting off the life side of that equation, if you are your own boss and need more convincing that an NVIDIA GeForce RTX will deliver phenomenal gaming, then look no further than DLSS. Gaming on the PC is always a trade-off. If you want better graphics, then the game runs slower. If you want the game to run faster, then you get less nice graphics. But with NVIDIA DLSS, there is no more trade-off. Simply put, DLSS is AI technology which allows you to get better looking graphics without putting too much strain on the GPU. Tapos, the less strain on the GPU, the smoother everything is in-game. DLSS works on three major components of all games: resolution, frame generation, and RTX. Only the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series cards give you access to all three types of DLSS. When DLSS works on resolution, what's happening is the game is running at a lower resolution, say 1080p, but with DLSS on, you're actually seeing 2K, 1440p, or even higher resolutions. It's kind of like this picture. Super low res, but you just immediately know. Di mo kailangan memorize yan, alam mo na kaagad what this picture is. Ganon din yung DLSS. The speed of low res processing, but the visual quality of higher resolutions. DLSS Frame Gen uses AI to figure out what is happening between frames, so the GPU doesn't need to render the whole sequence. Like in this sequence from Indiana Jones. Character at rest, character pulling out whip, whip hitting something. Theoretically, 3 frames, the frame in the middle, could have been generated by DLSS, saving load on the GPU and ensuring the game runs smoother. Now, of course, in an actual game, there are a lot more frames being generated. That's just a really basic example of what DLSS Frame Gen is about. And in our own testing, laking tulong talaga ng Frame Gen. It really adds frames to the gaming experience. Finally, RTX is an important part of making a scene realistic because it introduces various lighting elements and sources. But RTX puts a heavy load on the GPU, slowing game performance. Yun nga, yung either or natin. Either good graphics but slow performance, or vice versa. With DLSS, wala nang compromise. DLSS uses AI to figure out how a scene should look like with RTX. So it's RTX on without the RTX performance hit. Basically, DLSS is getting to have your cake, high resolution, high frame rate, RTX on in games, and eat it too. The games run fast. But what if you need to convince your spouse or parent that an ASUS NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU will make you more productive? Hindi tungkol sa games. Tell them about ChatRTX. It uses LLMs, the same tech as all of the other AI programs you hear about, but it runs locally on your computer. Meaning your data remains private and it's much easier to find things on your computer, actual useful things, your own files. It's the power of AI, but on your actual computer. You don't need the net to access it, and it knows what is on your computer. I actually tried something similar before on my 3080 on my local system, but getting everything to run was very tedious.
Last time I had to monkey around with this many command line prompts was back in the day when I was mining, not for the faint of heart.
Having it all in one software package like NVIDIA's ChatRTX is super convenient and user-friendly. So far, we've concentrated on one side at a time. So NVIDIA GPUs are good for gaming, but also good for work. But actually, they're also good for both at the same time. Streaming is a good example. You need it for work or school, but you can also use it to stream yourself playing. NVIDIA Broadcast has you covered in any of those scenarios.
Right now, I'm not looking at the camera But you can see in the video that it makes it look like I'm looking right into the camera. Background replacement. So you can, with here you can select a video or an image. Maybe use this. Okay, so this is very nifty.
Another feature which can be used for both play and work is NVIDIA's AI Super Resolution. It takes any video played in your browser and upscales it. So let's say you're watching one of your favorite streaming shows only at 1080p, since hindi ganun kaganda yung net dito sa Pilipinas. You don't want to deal with all of the buffering and issues of streaming the video at higher resolutions. With NVIDIA AI Super Resolution, you can stream at 1080p or lower, but watch it at higher resolutions like 2K or higher. It's very similar to DLSS. You're getting the quality of higher resolutions while only using the minimal resources needed for lower resolutions. And this works for all videos watched in browser. So that includes any streaming service, YouTube, Twitch, basically all of those videos, whether it's a lecture or a game stream, you're watching it online, this will work. You do need a Chromium-based browser like Chrome or Edge to enable this, although Firefox allows this. Rounding out how NVIDIA is great for both work and play is NVIDIA Canvas. I'm not much of an artist and I've struggled with being visually creative. A concrete example lang for our thumbnails. I have to send Ren, our artist, editor, graphics artist, a detailed text description, and then what she actually makes from that text description, paminsan hit or miss. Paminsan sakto, paminsan ang layo dun sa iniisip ko. So it's very frustrating for me that I have an idea in my head, but how do I translate that into a visual image? NVIDIA Canvas solves that by figuring out what you want to draw, even if you can't actually draw it. It's a tool for making what you imagine, but can't draw onto the page. So perfect for non-artists like me. Generate an image so that other people have a peg of what I'm visualizing in my head. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series cards could convince whoever the boss is in your life that they are good investments, both for work and play, and are really a bridge between the two. Hindi na magkahiwalay ang work and play in our modern world, and you're often doing both at the same time. And NVIDIA GPUs are a great way to enable that. The last clincher argument to convince your boss is that there are a lot of deals happening now. Links in the video description, so sulit bumili ngayon. Light up your holidays with GeForce RTX and ASUS. If you're thinking of picking up an NVIDIA 40 series, you might want to consider a card from ASUS which incorporate axial tech fans for better cooling, slim profile so clearance issues are not a problem, and ASUS cards are durable and reliable. You see them on the channel all the time. You want your GPU to get enough juice, so pair that ASUS GPU with an ASUS PSU, which are power efficient, certified by reputable rating standards, are quiet, and are also very reliable. And ASUS has made it even easier to buy one right now with its Share 2024 promo, which is ongoing now up to January 31, 2025. There are outright discounts on a lot of components, and you may also get merch, which you can't usually get. Thanks for watching and see you in 2025. Hopefully, na-convince mo yung boss mo that you need a new GeForce RTX 40 Super Series card in your life.